Should you disclose or should you not disclose? I'm proud to say that after being involved in over 1,000 transactions in the past 17 years, I have never had a lawsuit, and neither have the sellers I've represented or the buyers I've represented. Disclosing anything that has ever been repaired or replaced, modified or added, like a fixture change or a cabinet replacement, is very important and will keep you out of litigation. And it's essential to go over all the disclosures before putting your home on the multiple listing service or prior to having a buyer seeing your home. We want potential buyers to review the disclosures prior to making the offer. This will ensure that the buyer doesn't back out for things that they should have already been aware of. Did you know that in the northwest suburbs of Chicago, there are large amounts of disclosures that need to be filled out and things need to be disclosed? This is actually a safety net, not only for the buyer, but also for the seller. For example, some of the items that need to be disclosed are material defects in your windows and your walls and your doors and your floors, material defects in the electrical system, material defects in the heating and air conditioning system, and if you're aware of termites, and many more things to disclose. So if you have the knowledge of, or if you were made aware of changes that need to be disclosed, you need to disclose it. One of the more common pieces of advice that I give my clients that ask me, if you need to disclose something, then most likely the answer is yes. You need to disclose. You want to disclose. Over-disclosure is actually always better than under-disclosure and will keep you out of the courtroom. You want the buyer to know anything and everything you know about the home. When you disclose properly, you don't have to worry about them coming back to you later and telling you that they're going to be taking you to court or they want to extract more money out of you. Now, obviously, you only disclose what you know, and if there are some issues of the property that you just don't know about, then the buyer would have to actually prove that you did have knowledge of it and that you intentionally misrepresented them in order for them to win in the court case. So disclose, disclose, disclose. If you're thinking about selling, please give us a call. We've helped hundreds of people just like you in the northwest suburbs of Chicago, and we'd love to help you too. John Herman, Property Up. Make it a great day.